Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your timeline. Instead of dragging along and doing frames per second, it's going to do audio samples per second where there's like bazillions. The short answer is right click this and go to that. Okay, show audio time units. Let me explain it a little bit better. All right, so at the moment we're in frames or frames per second, right? We know that most of the stuff we've been dealing with in this course has been 25 frames or 23.976, okay, or 60 frames, 100 frames, 120, okay? That's the way that we've been working in Premiere Pro. So it means that if I've got a bit of audio, see this bit here, I wanna manipulate this little chunk here, it's gonna be tough because you know, I've only got this, like, the scale's not big enough, okay? Audio is recorded in like samples, and like this particular audio track is probably, you can kind of see it over here, 48,000 hertz. So, you know, consider it 48,000 frames per second. So you can zoom in quite a bit. Okay, so to change it so I can work in that sort of frame rate, at least that sample rate, you go up to your little bigger menu here, okay, and just turn it on. Show audio time units. Okay, so in this particular case, there's 48,000 of them. So you'll get to a second. So that's the 3 seconds and 36,000 samples, okay? And eventually when it gets to 3 seconds and 48,000 samples, it'll switch over to the next second. Okay, so let's have a little look. Just keep zooming. Look at that. We can get real detailed now. You see, you can start doing, let's say you need this little bit gone, okay? Or adjusted or raised or done something with. Remember holding the command key down on my Mac, control key on a PC, okay, to click on the rubber band here, and you can start doing some really, you know, fiddly adjustment to the audio. There just might be something that you need to get in there and tear out. You can zoom in way closer than that as well. So remember Option plus to get in on the audio. Wrong button. Nope, right button. It's making my track bigger, Dan. Just hit plus. And eventually you start to see the waves. Where are they? Let's look at something a little bit more drastic. Let's get in there. Oh, look at them. You can zoom in way further as well. Remember holding down the plus key. You don't have to hold anything down. You just want to zoom in. Let's say this waveform here. I want to make this taller. So remember Option plus on a Mac, Alt plus on a PC so I can see it all. Okay, I'm going to go full screen with my little tilde, and look how zoomy I can get. Oh, look, it turns into little waves. There you are, little wavy hertzy guys. Okay, we can start grabbing all of these little peaks and troughs. Very exciting. To turn it off, let's go back to full screen, tilde key again, and let's turn off, or sorry, audio units. Now we get to see it back in kind of frames per second. Feels real clumsy at this giant size. Where's my 48,000 separate little units? Phew, lucky we don't record in that sort of frame rate. We will one day. It's pretty common to do what, 120 these days? Man, it's gonna get bigger and better. Well, my phone can do 60 easy. I'm sure there's phones that can do 100. But anyway, I digress. Let's jump into the next video.